So the lightning jar started back at the beginning of the year, and I just wanted to help people find the spark and keep it. So I'm the classic case of being able to give advice and never being able to take my own. So I created the Lightning Jar blog for you to be able to ask all the questions that you have. Good, bad, funny, not funny, and get some good advice from somebody who's going to give it to you straight and teach you how to capture the lightning, that spark that everybody wants, and put the lid on it, keep it forever. So visit www.lightningjar.blogspot.com and submit your questions. Read what I've written. Tell me if you like it. And I hope you all enjoy it.